Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make birthday video with picture and music in Canva. The first thing you want to do after creating your Canva account, you are going to tap right where you see videos below the search bar. From here, you can decide the type of video that you want to create. So for example, is it for TikTok, Instagram Reel, Facebook video, or you just want to create a general video? So I'm going to be selecting a 1920 by 1080px video. So you can see it right here. You'll be redirected to a blank dashboard. And this is the blank dashboard right here. You can start adding your pictures that you would like to display. So you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, tap on uploads, then you'll tap on upload file, and you're going to simply add the images that you would like to add to the timeline right here. So you're going to select them and upload them. For this example, I'm going to be using some copyright free images from Canva. So I will tap on elements right here. After tapping on elements, let's say I'm creating a birthday picture for a baby. So I'm going to type in baby right here, then tap on enter, and I'm going to be using some baby photos. So you can see right here that Canva provides you with some copyright free images that you can use. So let's say I wanted to add this image. All I would have to do is drag and place it, then tap on the three dots, and I'll tap on set image as background. After you have added the first image, so let's say this is the first image right here, I'm going to go over to the left hand menu option and I'm going to add some text. So I'll tap on text, then you can see the different style texts that you can add, as you can see right here. Let's say for example I were to use this font style, so I'm going to add it right there. You can see it has been added, and I'm going to type in happy birthday. So let's say happy birthday. You can see it right there, and you can also edit the font size and you can change the font style if you want. All you'll need to do is tap right in the top left hand corner where you see right here copper plate, and from there, if you wanted to change the font style, you can do that. If you want to change the font color, you'll tap right where you see the capital A. Another good feature that you can add, for example, you could tap on animate in the top right hand corner. After tapping on animate, you can make the text move, as you can see right there. So I can add animate, so I'm going to be using the wipe animation. So I'll tap on that, and I'm also going to edit the text a bit. So I'm going to select the text right here, then tap on effects. After you have tapped on effects, you can choose what type of effect you would like to add. So let's say for example you want to add a shadow. You could tap right there and a shadow will be added, or I'll leave it as lift right there. And by the way, you can see the duration for this section is 5 seconds. If you would like it to be smaller, you can simply drag it to the left, so you could cut it down to 3 seconds. If you would like it to be longer, you can pull it to the right, as you can see right there. Now to add a second page, you'll tap on the plus at the bottom right here. And on this page, we're going to be adding 4 images. So we're going to be basically creating a collage. To do this, you'll tap on elements from the top left hand corner. After tapping on elements, what I want you to do now, in the search bar, you're going to simply type in photo grid. So you can do that real quick. After you have done that, you can tap on see all, and you can see the different photo grids that you can use by simply scrolling down. You can see the different options. Keep in mind that anyone that you see with the pro right there, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber to use that particular one. But there are numerous others that you can use. For example, if I were to clear photo, tap in grid. Let's see if we see any other ones, and then we'll tap on see all right here. And you can scroll down and you can see different grids that you can use. Let's say for example's sake I wanted to use this grid. I could simply tap on it, and you can see it has now been added to the timeline. Then remember, I'm using copyright free images, but for you, you would tap on uploads and you'll drag and place the image. But I'm going to be using copyright free images, so I'll tap on elements once more and I'm going to type in baby, and I'm going to add some more baby images. So I'll tap on photos, then scroll down, and let's say for example I were to add this. You'll simply drag and place it in position, as you can see right there. It is quite easy to do. As you can see there, you can do that. You can double tap on a particular image if you would like to pull it down or adjust it, so you can see right there. Then you can add the other image that you would like to add to the timeline. So I'll scroll down and I just want to add another random image. Let's say this one, and you can see it right there. After you have done that, you could tap on add page and you could add another page. So let's say for example I want to add an image and I also want to make this image animated. So let's say this image right here. What you have to do is simply drag and place the image on the page. Let's say this image. After you have done that, you're going to tap on animate from the top menu option. Then you can see the different animation options right there. So let's say for example I want to use this one. I could do that. Then I can also change the background color by selecting the entire page, and then from there I could tap on, let's see right here. So I'm going to be changing the background color. I'll tap on the page right there, then tap on background color, and I'm going to be changing the background color to, for example, this light yellow. So you can see it right there. So I'll be changing it to that color, and you can continue adding more pages. Another thing that you can also do, let's say for example you would like to add some type of pop celebration. All you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, tap on elements, then from there you could type in birthday. Let me do that real quick. And for example you could add birthday balloons. You could tap on that. Then you can tap on see all graphics, and then you can scroll down and you can select which one you'd like to add. So let's say for example this one. You can drag and place it wherever you want on the page. So let's say we want to add it right there, and you can add another set on the other side. So let's say this, we're going to add this right over here. You can also increase or decrease the size of the image or the graphic, better yet. So you can see it right there. And let's say for example we want this to be animated also. All you'll have to do is select the image, then tap on animate. Then you can select the type of animation that you would like to use. So you can see the different options. I'm going to make it pop. Then I'm going to select this image and I'm going to add animation also. So let's see the type of animation that I'll be using. So let's say I use that one. So it will drift. I'll select that, and you can choose the direction you'd like it to drift in. So I'll leave it as is. Now it is time to add music. To add music, all you'll need to do is go over to uploads. Once on uploads, from the left hand menu option, you could tap on upload files and you'll be able to upload the audio. Or you can tap on elements. Then from there again, you could type in birthday. You could type in birthday music. After you have typed in birthday music, from the top menu option, you'll scroll across until you see audio. Tap on audio. After you have selected audio, you can see some copyright free songs that you can use. All you'll need to do is simply drag and place the song on the timeline, as you can see right here, and it is going to automatically sync, as you can see there. So once it has automatically synced, all you'll need to do now is tap on play, and this is our video, as you can see. You can also add a transition between photos by tapping right in between the photo. You'll tap on the option right below the plus which says add transition, and you can see some different transitions that you can add right there. I think this is a nice one, so I'm going to be adding the color wipe, And then in between this image, I'm going to be adding a transition also. So let's see right there. I'm going to be adding the flow transition. So for example, if I were to play it right now,
Happy birthday to you.
here. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. And to download your video, you'll tap on share in the top right hand corner, scroll down, tap on download. Then you want to ensure that all pages have been selected, and you're going to tap on download, and it will come in the file type of a MP4. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.